Yeah, welcome back to a brand new movie, yes, the people. We're live and active. All right, I want to give thanks to the sharers, to the subscribers, to the viewers. We're looking more viewers because we don't have no sponsor like that to shoot out in the big field. We have to stay in the little field if we don't have no sponsor. But if we get more views, I wouldn't need no sponsor. If I get whole heap of views, so I'm just share to our family and our friends. I want to give thanks to Motherflex for being a sponsor, Empress GTV for being a sponsor. If you not subscribe to her, but subscribe to her now because me and her is going to start a charity fund where we're going to help back the poor people in Jamaica. She's in Canada and I'm in Jamaica, so you know, so it's going to be a good connection. And I want to big up Albert. This is his right here, so I don't know which part on the screen, but right here, so please, there's a link down in the video. You know, find it, book on a room, right at Ochi. It's very beautiful, it's very nice, and nevertheless, my sister in the United States, she have a nice thing for the ladies. That big breast, she that she can go to that. Big bumper, she that she can do that. Take off belly flat, she that. Wrinkle, she that. This is our Instagram page. Please support her and tell her it's me sending over there. Please support our business. And I'm coming to New York in June to link up with somebody that, you know, do big project. So me and him going to have a down-to-down tail out and find out the details of what's going to go on. It's either me shoot a couple in New York, come back to Jamaica and shoot some real big shot because you have a lot of big camera. And also, I can give me the name Jeremy from my band. So, you know, I say, even video mean from I was a baby till now, I'm still in that camera. So, as I go, please remember, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, I want to do good.
Yeah, this goes Steven. As usual. Yeah, did you talk back to the boy?
No, sir.
Why, you like him?
No.
Where did they hear?
Time to walk.
Yeah, what?
Yes. Oh.
Time to walk.
Come on, just.
Money now.
So you're going to be from right here, so. I don't like when I do that, because every time I do that, a something bad. A something bad?
No, but there's something I want to talk to you about.
What?
Listen.
No, weird. I walk.
Mr. We can't sit down and talk to you.
No, because when you go and say something bad, you have to say.
Like, nowadays, when I feel the connection that I used to have, you know how happy.
Stop. I know say something bad. What do you mean?
You know, I just not feel the band with me. Like, when I just start talk, I feel the energy and everything is just right.
You find somebody else?
No, I'm not.
You talk to somebody else?
I'm
Be
not
honest.
I'm not talking to nobody else.
Yeah, like. So all of this come from
I just tell you how I feel. Rather me tell you than me hide the feelings. More than when I come down and I'm not happy.
So this is why you come down here?
I tell a lie.
And this is why you come down here?
Yeah, that's the reason I come down here to tell you how I feel.
So you like all the way from up here, come down here from
At 3 times we
early?
take some man, 3 daily time.
And that's okay, that normal.
We never used to text 3 times. We will be with the phone together. Video call. If me I go do something, say, me I go do say, you know, I'm come call her back. Yeah, as me reach back to my call.
What you saying?
Do so you don't feel the energy say no,
I
no
mean,
connect.
yeah, but I think so we could say everybody have ups and downs, what the issue.
We just see so we each other break and come back strong again.
A break? Like a break?
Yeah,
What do you
like a
mean
break.
break? I can't give a
Like
break.
you can just do what you do and me can just focus a little bit for myself.
No, I can't give a break. We can't take a break, but we can't work on it. We have to work on it.
This is the solution.
No, we not take a break.
Just hear me right now.
Why? So you can talk to other people and they don't need to.
Me now talk to nobody else. But you can if you want.
So all of you take a break from? Oh, this is gonna go.
Say 3 weeks. Just give me 3 weeks to play me.
You need 3 weeks from me? Boy, you're up to something. You have to up to something.
You know,
3 weeks? You need 3 weeks to figure out if you want to stay or not.
I never say me a listen.
Right, so me and say if you need 3 weeks to figure out if you want to stay or not.
We just need 3 weeks to figure out what we have missed.
Hey now, what do you think about this?
What do you think?
Like you
Well,
literally
nobody
say,
bring
Me,
it
me,
to
have, no, me
Yeah.
have personal
I
business,
mean,
my whole fine.
no, but for
But
you.
no, but the thing is, you say it wanna agree upon it, so that cause if him want 1 month from you, probably tired of you because you're very disgusting. Probably just want some time for yourself. So I'm sure you can use a little 3 weeks too.
But you must say when I text someday at the space that's not enough? That is not enough?
No, you don't understand. We are one. We're in a relationship, right?
Right.
We're supposed to correspond right during the day.
We now have to text. Alright, listen, make it stay. I understand what you say. We can take the break.
But we used to
Make
text
it
right
stay.
during the day. When we just start talking, if you have a bathroom, I have a bed, no. You have video call me, I have a bed, I will laugh and chat. We not doing something like that.
Because we need to. Alright, so like when I say I understand what you say, and things that you say you don't want to for this one the break, so we create one band all over back again and fix what we need to fix. I can do that, but I'm not just saying.
Me not do nothing like that. Alright, me and Dream, I take a break. We still have come check for you. We still have come look for you. We still have call you. But we not do that look at
If
you.
so while we're there, we're not going to text our call and not just break.
Yeah, that's
And you must say,
But if your mind run for me, you can call me. If your mind run for you, you can call.
I'm not call the phone, take a break. If the enemy can see I do nothing, I'm come here and I'm stop me
And
inside
sis-
stuff.
Like when I take break, I'm making a take lunch.
Everything you think for
You
you,
say
you
you
know.
come out of the business, you're young, you don't know about them something.
No problem, us.
I can't
These
believe
are
say
big
I
people,
do this.
something we are talking about.
So I'm supposed to do. Who make a talk to wanna keep my company?
You look a sister here, you look a
That
company.
different, a sister love is different. What you want from me?
And just please not take the break, please. Just 3 weeks. 3 weeks. No, just 3 weeks. You cool with that?
Take your break. We're done.
So yeah, bet sir.
Because what you want from me?
We just tell you more for a 3 week break. Don't feel
You
like
know, you don't understand how long 3 weeks is? 3 weeks, almost a month, like, you know? Almost a month.
Alright,
You get this
2
in
weeks.
the world, sir?
2 weeks. 2 weeks.
I mean, I don't understand where you come from, you know, because the distance real from when you like not feel the distance. But I think that somehow we can get over with the age that we need to take a break.
Just need 2 weeks there. Just give me 2 weeks. 2 weeks on here. You trust me?
No, but when I take your word, you don't do nothing.
You don't do nothing. Believe. You don't need to do nothing. You don't say nice. You know that cheap though. Huh?
You don't know.
Yeah? Alright. Later, yeah? You see it in 2 weeks.
Nature.
Dia mau ambil kuah money na beda kat mana ni. Beda ini apa yang sama dia. Yang mai forward set. Ni suara sama boy dia kan. Beda. He's a bomba athlete dog drop. Then the man then all you know for a dog. The man drop one athlete out of nowhere. They asking yo why formula. You say yo forex. But the dog I tell me say yo it's like I learn one new language and something bro. So it's a whole heap of learning, isn't it? It's a progress. It's a progress. You can work in man. Beda. Fini bro. Fini ako. Medyo biya levy pa rin. Wow. May I tell us still dog. The man say yo. Ina money na ka free when the man dey get age money pull up on that. The man dey na nothing that less than 5 grand enough. Yeah. Believe you me. So watch it. Not even watch it. Why yo what's so on the that? I go roll so. You know be fine. No money juggle heavy pa rin man. No, still no. Oh, man. Look like them. Come on, make sure they tap that. So if me go this help them, how me I go chat to her? You know what I'm chat to her? You can't tell from me. Look like I tell you more than you joke like that. Usher. Tell them. Hello. Hey. I guess you see I come from this like you can't manage the job.
Yes, it is the fire come from.
Fire come from?
Water garden and we are there.
Like your destination fire as well.
No, man. Done this one.
Done this one. Just hold on, give your hand.
Wait.
You know, say, nowadays, anytime man offer for help, you know, say, I have to go get them back to in return, not true?
Really?
Tell me about what I mean. You know, you
them just want help.
Them just want help.
So the job not heavy.
So, yeah, heavy, but we come from away. We struggle with the thing that I say, right?
So do you take my help from me?
I don't think so.
Not to carry it then. Are you a carry it now? Come try out.
Alright, please.
Seriously, no one help you?
No, alright. I just want to say again.
Sure.
Yeah.
Oh, God, man.
No, man, take your help, man. Do. Make we help you. Help yourself.
No, go on them. Parents teach you for this time.
Alright, then sorry. Nice meeting anyways, you know? Really nice, man. Good still, lad. Probably then you must see her again still, you know? One night again. I mean, man. Brother. I feel like a them day I roll with all God, man, with that dip. Get that thing?
Look there, that's why you should have taken the help from the boy. Them in time. Me can't manage the jug and the jug egg.
You know, say you learn though. You know, say you could have more and carry jug enough as I just right down the
But it's a far. Look how far we can carry the water from.
Alright, then go.
But still, ain't really nice and that. But you see, as me I tell her, you see all if with the bricks up and normal out in a go tree and stuff. Yeah. Brother, them would have beg for care with jug and something, bro. You see me? We there try for them jug and something. Well, not even we still, you really and true. But I bring me a course, but I don't want to. Oh, God, man, if you're a chang man from me, oh God. Bro, I just that with you, you know, for your heart cleaner than for me. Boy, if you offer your help one time, I don't want to.
Evening again.
Yeah.
Because I don't have more jug to use. I told my sister that I said, I'm going to take the help, but the jug actually.
I'm not telling me say your sister, you know. I'm not saying what I'm going to help you. Even though you need help and she need help, but she not tell you.
Yeah, the judge heavy. You could have
That's why you run this on the top. Alright, that's alright. Yeah, maybe.
Alright, man. Search for back.
Bye.
Bye.
Is your longing gone? Is your long J gone? Jada, me say Jada, she in love, man, you see. And me try one this little girl, although me a smaller one, me know what me a talk to. Come like say me a chat too much, me show that.
Yes, son, did you reach?
Oh, she
Nice to meet you again. That's close down the left. Come on. Let's lead the way, man. Don't need far, man. How long time we are walking?
Yeah, just right around the corner.
That's right around the corner there.
Are you want help?
Alright. Oh, so nothing wrong with me, so no live far. So about 4 corner, my belly, man, I know me can't reach.
Well,
Yes, won't reach.
Alright then.
Open just to deep to the wall.
Why after then long turn, them finally reach my place there. That's not good now. Oh. For the game now.
Alia,
right.
go take a job, put you.
Thank you. Since next time I know say I want to bring a job me help you.
Alright.
For our next one. Alright. I want to say this.
Who you need?
I'm name Trey.
Alright. Alright, thanks to you.
Alright, take care of your sis. Next time it's over.
Come go get your job, I'm going to sleep.
Oh, this. Right.
Yo, me G.
Why, how you gone so long?
Brother, I want to get you a drama.
What go? Yeah, come here. What going?
You don't know, say brother, I say, yo, man, I help them. I know the thing I do. You don't know, say girl live far, brother.
So far you have to carry a
Brother,
jug.
about 6 corner me take.
But,
Yeah,
hey,
bro, me I tell you the
from the
truth.
first corner, me come back on my corner over there. That's
Yo.
why I don't believe you
I
me.
told me determined, my friend.
Yeah, me not
And me
really
do
determined,
reach
you
door, you know.
Uh-huh.
Do it. No lie. I was nice to her, she did. Like she and her sister one live too, you know. Yeah. So me bring down the job, me tell her, me ask her for her number.
What she has said?
She take my number, do you know?
So when you get a lumber?
Eh?
When you get a lumber?
You have to take time. Can't rush it. Whether she goes to me a dog, you're mad.
Brother, if me a dog, him father a dog, him brother a dog, every man a dog.
You don't know if you cheat, man.
Brother, me even know.
You don't have a woman.
You know, yeah, I'm not chance to make woman. Me a chat about you. You look around. Well, alright, for your style different from me still. My boy me into, you not into, you know?
So, we know that's easy, but she said she want it. Yeah, dog, I'm going to tell you.
Yo, there's that dog.
Yo,
I
now your
look
woman listen to me.
Yeah, you cuss me, you cuss me.
I say the things.
Good one.
You know, call and check up on me for a man, you know.
But you know good man. One
How me figure that you know, call and check up with me, alright, no food, nothing in the yard, brother.
So how are this in a hand? If I don't food.
Don't worry about
Bro,
this.
at this me I tell about.
Don't worry about
Give
this.
money. How this reach in your hand? Yeah, yeah, I'm sure you think brush your teeth from man in your thing come on.
Check up on me if me good.
Why crazy me there? You
No,
smoke it before you come,
long
so-
time.
You know, I didn't see me and talk to you about, brother. You have some style, or me
Yeah,
can't
just step
understand
up
with
in
you,
the game, man.
brother. My youth.
Hello,
You
I'm good
can't do
so.
them sitting here.
Call and check up on me if me good. You remember any problem?
Brother, you're
Wow,
more
bro.
than good. If you're not good, you wouldn't
Me
have
not
run
good.
One fear.
Me there me yard, you know, call and check up on me, no food and then I was in here, man.
So me not give you money if you buy food and you take you buy all this. That is not special. I don't know what color that. What is that?
Every day on a cuss, man. And
I
man,
don't
if you
like
act
to
the
cuss,
man.
brother. I don't
Nah,
like it.
big people, man. You can't act,
And every day we cuss.
Yeah.
But I first me think God and to call and check up on me if me eat or nothing,
Man,
brother.
that's a good sleepy, me now, you know, but yo.
But upon your mind, so.
Alright, you know, I'm my fault. I take it there.
Yeah, man.
Sorry, me never call and check up on you. So that.
Yo.
But you see the rum thing and the smoking and all of them look something you have to cut it out. Cause I don't like me no left money for you. I'm sure it's not your money you use and buy it.
I know my money.
So I didn't sit down here and talk to you about so you can't say me not nothing for you to make you hungry in the house or something.
But when I say you should call and check up on me, if
Alright,
you
yo,
good.
yo.
Yeah, good on your saying or something.
Yeah,
Yeah, better not go in there and depend on the road or argument.
Come in.
You see me?
People I love chat today. Alright, come in here.
Yo. Yeah, bro. What that? Be right, man. Tell us, brother. Niceness. Remember me?
Tell her say I know she with her.
Ah, she.
You see, you
You remember
somebody
me?
carry joke and they don't remember. That's why I know the people carry joke now, bro.
Remember me now?
Yeah.
Remember, and you if you tell me what me like, say from me game number, like a storage full.
Souvenir.
My sister have my phone majority of the time, you know, so.
You could even find one time to text her, you could call me. Really?
Me do you remember? Like, honestly, me never remember.
I'm interested, man.
Well, no, me remember, me can send a message now.
No problem. So where do you start?
Mary from my sister, you know, language is how we gonna, you see her?
No, so you know, so when I say I come out.
Or you not remember her?
I mean, remember you one more remember your sister.
Yeah, she me you call me. I don't know which part she did.
I look at her sister date.
At sister day, one
Yeah,
she
no,
tell
sir.
me to meet her right here, so me
Yeah,
know
so
sure.
like, yeah, go somewhere.
No, me not get. Me I come from road, but she me I come.
I be mad in some road to my son.
No,
Yeah, man.
cause I just something quick me gonna do.
You could
She
have grabbed
remember
something quick.
your
I'll be back to
Alright,
show.
next time.
So next time.
Right.
Different episodes, I can't be my back juice.
Oh, problem.
Bag juice.
mean,
So make you get bag juice.
Stress up pocket. I want to
Really,
make
if
bar.
I anything,
Which
man.
part una go?
I don't the road I go, man, go link up with one of our brethren, you know. I work from one car.
Oh, if you see my sister, like to me,
No problem.
No
that way they wanna go that way there.
The way I go, man.
Girl, it's fire there.
But this time, I not tell you, son. They are turn up and
And you see some food fire.
No, sir,
And you
I never
get them
met.
just
No,
come right
hey,
here,
you know,
so-
long me up there so way for you.
What you mean? But you ain't saying
Me never did tell for meet me, so me say meet me
Yeah.
up and John up there
Make
so.
sure be a sir. A
Well,
pastor,
I
a
think
pastor,
somebody-
say,
You realize me not even say evening, morning or no, because I never see you. I mean, I'm a
Why-
sister.
why festive?
Why you doing
I don't be
Me
rude.
say-
You know, hey, me tell you, me
Leave
sit
her
down,
approach
me
her
turn
arm.
up, the only thing when me did left to do all done.
Me sit down and stand up to look how long me there right here, so and why you in a them there?
Anyways,
And
May
I
I,
read them
may
man.
me
Yeah, go
ask
down
you
there,
something.
sir.
May you look like you same person?
well,
Me, you
Well,
love dress up in
When we
your
get in a
house.
them there.
Me love
I
my
left
big
for the
clothes
to
and
this
yard
thing,
clothes.
and just
Alright,
big
yeah.
out to
This
the
is
sister.
bigger than I do.
Alright,
Bye.
me
As
up
me I
here. Just remember.
Yeah. Stop going, sir. And stop wearing them places.
Buy me new clothes then.
When we get in a them.
I find me not have nothing better. Yeah, but I don't want make me know that.
No, girl, I have to do better. At which part we are going?
No, just me not even know. Because you tell me to wait for you up there, so I talk to me for you for you. So anywhere you have.
Alright, now that me say which part we are going?
So.
Alright, come on.
Get me hungry, I'm there shop with this.
What's in there, my friend?
J.
Who?
J.
J? J,
Yes,
man
J.
name.
J.
So who get that name there?
People in.
All the people then kind of did lose them brain, but it no matter to me because you're a woman. So anyway, you single though?
Yes.
Wow, I like the sound of that. How is she?
I'm a sister. She loves going food.
Cause she have look for me like her face make up like donkey. But anyway, you have a phone number?
Yeah.
Could I get your 10 digit aside? iPhone that?
Yes.
You just tap it some, man. Tap it some. Yeah. No. Oh, what do you? What do you? What do you? Why so fast?
How you so enough?
You talk to she.
Somebody did say nothing to you?
Anyway, let's share contact. Okay. Nice.
Turn up your talk, let's see what's
Don't care no mind.
I'm not paying no mind, so nice to meet you. Yeah? So around here, you live?
Yeah.
Alright, I will be checking on. No worry, me I go look for you.
You didn't even tell me what your name.
Oh, Jay. That's why me asked you, so we are the man name.
Your name Jay?
Yeah.
You name Jay?
J, the
So
capital
who name
J.
you Jay?
Huh?
Who name you Jay?
A beautiful girl like you. And from today, me name J. Mr. J, Mrs. J.
Okay, bye Jay. See, my sister gone left me in a curse.
I was checking that. Later, yeah?
Bye.
Yeah. I pray me G. Bad chaps. There, dog. Well, I'm soon, daddy. That way I say, you don't say how you go right where you come from while I go, me G. What? You go there? I mean, now we don't see you, brother. We don't see you there somewhere about the place.
Oh, you're so clean, me kid. How are you so clean today?
I think that go on for me, G.
And every day me clean.
No.
See how walk for the vehicle, them.
Brother, he might not have keep on the aisle pan here or nothing that.
No.
So brother, on the know so when time in the day I work a different thing, father.
Brother.
What? You know that? Power up and sitting daddy.
Power.
Hey,
You're going with things, man, me G. You're going with
yeah,
things.
daddy.
So,
So I pray.
yo, you say we are checking out, I don't know, we are doing idea.
You know, say I'm there try match one like one crime on the phone.
Yeah.
Like my son, you know, me wonder why badness.
You know, you have some new fella come on your black door, you know.
Man. Listen.
New type of girl.
So what?
Listen.
No,
Man, we are talking
we
about
just
some,
there.
you know, some Philadelphia people, you know?
Yeah.
So, no, I lie. We book a new girl on the corner.
What?
Yeah, man, it's a walk.
Oh.
When?
When?
And I think one of them know a body trailer.
That sound hot.
Yeah. Like James Bond.
You can't look on the one day, no.
Huh?
You can't look on the one day, father.
Yeah,
So
no,
the girl going enough.
hold on. You don't understand what
I
you're
mean, you
trying
don't
to
understand. I'm a girl like that.
Yeah, man, I think, girl.
Yeah, man.
me never see no name pan her.
She have me number.
So, oh, me
friend.
no know about them, the girl who will not talk about
Aye, we
daddy.
just, yo,
Yo.
we come here and show
I'ma
you
say-
everything.
I say, white me and daddy.
I'm a G.
But I touch up my clothes for you, know. So.
No, listen.
That day still, alright.
I asked her if she single and she said yes.
I lie she a tell.
Like shit.
Lie she a tell. She and my friend a chat.
Yeah.
Oh,
Me. I mean, bring all water
That be nice.
in our yard.
Brother, but lie she a tell. A girl own her body. If she says she's single, she's single.
she's
That
single.
woman on her
Ah,
body.
No, me ask
True.
her. No, me ask her for true.
He tell us
Yeah.
she's single for true, for
She
true.
Yeah.
tell you that.
But brother, you know how much water my friend carry for you, girl.
I
He
mean,
can't single. If he's single,
Can't
he dead
single,
and
I'm not
gone.
a
You
water.
ain't lie, brother.
so I waste my time.
No, if you
Yeah,
care
water, man. Come like water chuck.
Man.
Yeah, water, man. You come like water chuck.
No, brother.
Feel work that. Yeah,
No,
water, man.
She
You might
nice,
slaughter,
boy.
man.
You want to see her? Right now, you want to see her, brother.
You say, Fran, you start clean out.
Yeah, brother.
From the start. Yeah, brother.
Yeah.
Different,
Yo,
dog.
remember, say we know you a long time, brother. I know regular you clean. You're not clean regular, brother.
What you promote, man?
What
You
you
want to
promote?
have fire for people.
Bad man, boy.
No,
no.
I'm not burning no fire. What do you mean?
No, stop it, man.
Nah, burning no fire. I'm a friend.
Corruption,
But I
this
tell
man.
him, he ever walk, brother, on his vehicle. Yeah?
Hold on. So bad, bro. Where do the mechanic shut on? You know down there again? Worry about that, man. I rent out here, see free. Tell the down side, dirty up myself. Cause see
Ah,
free. that me I show you, man. You. That's why me I tell us when you clean and all. We have to
Clean
knock
sweep.
Hello. Don't go here.
Bro! Yo! We link still, brother?
Come on.
What your woman bother you, man?
What a lunatic that man.
Brother.
Come.
How what you
Come
and the man?
home.
I me say, brother, how what do you? Brother, me and the man are raised.
Woman do it, but show that style with man.
That's
Bother
true.
with that.
You know,
That's right.
I just say
That's
I just
right.
No, but
you
what
know,
woman does
As
do
the man
it.
does a correct you, brother.
Woman
Yes,
hold
I
man
correct.
and pull them, brother. Man no hold
Yeah,
man
man.
and pull them, brother. Fire upon that.
No, daddy, I show you woman fully, man.
No, woman that there is a woman that should have shown me upon that.
Yeah, man.
A chick man.
I like them one, I'm not trusting me.
Brother, I make man touch your brother. You
I
know
mean,
what I'm saying, brother?
yo, me even know him to that, brother.
You can't name a soldier shot and make man a touch you up, brother. You see,
So
what
many
kind of
one
style that?
fist him and knock him out. You know, one fist.
Brother, you have to teach your bro got the right thing, then
So
that
we
you
say
don't
pray.
So they go and pour out, but more man ain't new girl, you know.
Yo, his sister free, you know, me think his sister free.
You don't want no free girl, daddy. Me do it free girl,
That
bad
means
man.
that she not no man, brother. That me mean, you know, she not no man.
No, I like my girl them have man. Some know say nothing wrong with them. You see me?
So you know, so that would have better for you, brother, less problem.
No, daddy. When they have a man, a less problem for you that the time there. When they not have no man, something wrong with them. You don't know that.
Oh yeah, say man, but nice girl, lad. Yo, go pass us still, you know.
Up in there.
I mean,
So brother, how long do you have to see that,
I'll
daddy?
make you stay and talk to her.
Come in.
Come on.
How you feel this so weak man and me doing a yard and me away from you?
Brother,
What kind of style?
What kind of style you would on? I can't jog me in front of my friend and make me look like some lily boy, like me your son or something like that.
But brother, you left me on a yard how long? Look how long I left me on a yard. You think say me want look a company to see him
What kind
here?
of company call my phone? You know me say that number. Cheat here
Me a call
26111.
you and answer me.
So when you come a road and I jog me with a like me as some little pitney like you carry me home, go beat me with the
Say
roller.
rather man more than me.
Come from rather man more than you, but brother, do they ain't sitting there.
But you left the yard how long, brother? You just say me want company the yard,
Sir,
bro.
no do they ain't sitting there. You lead up my thing wicked. Why you can't jog me way? Why you can't jog me? That me ask you.
Me want company.
So you no call me phone or come to me reasonable and say, babe, me want some company. Why you couldn't do that?
Brother.
You know, say me no like this style, though.
Again, every time you say the same something.
It's the same song. Everybody you meet, your issue turn about what you do.
So, it matter, it don't matter. And I like me name a call panic shit and me a text everybody.
A liar,
Yeah, but that's a talk. What you mean?
When
Why
they me
lie?
a pass out a road and down to pa Miss Margaret veranda, me hear your name a talk.
Lie.
I no lie.
We are
And
gonna
me did
go
a
there.
pass the
We are
road.
gonna go
But we
there.
are
If
go
you
pa
don't
Margaret
come, we are
veranda.
gonna ask her, call
I'm sorry,
Upani,
but
and
me
we are
can't
gonna
take no
ask her.
blessing on
Them
my
can-
back right
Look for
now.
Miss Margaret, son. You ever see me talking to a boy like that?
No, me hear your name on a veranda.
Lie.
talk
Me
about
and you
how
know I said
one
that's a
month
lie.
of them up, they have your number. I no like everybody ain't give your number.
Yeah.
Either way, it even matter.
Watch it.
I'm good.
Lie to you.
Yeah. Text her, come here, come up.
Oh. Me
Like everyone on silent, man.
not get no message.
So,
My orange.
my friend this time are crazy. Jay this time, you know, meet Jay other day.
Crazy.
So she said,
Yeah.
Some sister.
Nice, man.
But you know, say friendly.
But my nice sister, this one I tell her boy, you know.
how she going, sir? She screw up her face. So, hello,
No.
my friend.
Think she get her heart broken, wicked.
Rambo,
Yeah,
your father.
which I so she still.
Oh, so she just say,
Yeah.
nah, no sister by
So- So, bro,
Yeah. That
that
friend
to
crazy
she.
this and
So, me careful want me talk to Rambo that time.
Stop,
You know what?
stop
Don't
it.
tell me nothing. Your older sister, you should have
Don't-
not lead me
don't
by
care.
example and show me better example. You're there, cut out about
You
stuff.
don't say no
that-
real
Yeah.
narrator, brother. How I go on?
So,
Yeah. Ready now, yeah.
No, we just come from Uncle David, nigga, be there.
Yeah. Yeah, the later.
No, we need to fuck with my sister and she look a bit.
so bro,
Sir. Hyper.
are you and I talk?
No.
Really?
Yeah.
Just I guess
she
you know
said-
her.
So you say yeah, she said no. So
Me
bro,
not-
you couldn't make me talk to this girl here. When me
Right.
careful make me talk to this girl here was screw up her face, what
I
gone.
like this girl.
You
I
like-
like Jay. Jay's a nice girl, no?
So suppose
man.
me like Jay, you came down here so foolish, bro.
So if you like a girl me like, bro, I mean a friend, brother.
So you came down here for? You want to give me
What?
girl was screw like a Rambo and father?
You say you
Brother.
like me,
Yeah.
but me like him.
Like
I like
him.
You hear that boy?
him like time.
You know like me.
No, you're short, you're
And
short
him
of
bleach
luck.
too, me like him.
So
But I feel
at least
like-
me bring you down here for the
Make sure and chick me up, you know.
No, me like it, like
No,
you.
sir.
Come out here, so look
Something
at
wrong.
that. So you, me like you.
you say, like my friend.
Bro, go on the house. You look at
When I
that.
wish house, brother, better me go man. Cause
So
we
you next
waste
girl
the
in the
time.
house, bro.
I'm an energy. Brother, me bring water for you and you really not like me. So,
Well,
use
I
the day I use
appreciate
Bro.
the fact you bring the water for me. But as I can see, I don't really text back or nothing because the interest never really did about me like him.
Nah, I appreciate it. Yo. Nah, my friend, bring up your still. You know, do you have to
Easy,
be
man.
no father.
Yo,
Yo,
come to see any
watch
rate
out
in my ear.
you have to go good on a flat.
Jay, go and take out the chicken where you have on that bed from.
But yeah, I do that for you. See, I have guests and
Same thing.
crazy by crazy.
Right.
May I text you?
Right. Bro, I can't believe this too. Yo, forward, brother. I'm
I'm
going to go raise you there, brother.
So
So
you take next year, man. You're not rate me then.
So you turn up
You're not
as
rate me.
you know, rate my brother, I tell you to me like the girl look and you
Bro,
really.
I know who you like and who like you. How much time I teach you them sitting there as a soldier that
Right now, if you ain't show the girl interest, you would have to work with me, brother.
show which interest.
You mean?
When is this from a commie girls interest for me? You idiot. You lunatic daddy.
But brother, from you see that thing, you can't go trust him, you have to go watch him.
Brother, you not rate me, you know, me not say you not rate me. This is
You
how
mean
come you see this a
narrator?
girl that says she ain't in one good mood. A PS
Oh,
screw
if you know that,
face.
brother, no me, I come from where around so.
And she short like you and you want to give me the short girl. And you
Brother,
fit
I'm
the
not a
tall
short girl, tall girl more, brother. You know, see some one grow.
girl. You
You
idiot,
know, so
you.
when you talk to tall girl, you grow, brother.
You're lunatic. When you short,
Yeah,
you short
man.
and look, so you can't get tall girl.
You short a lot, my friend.
If you tall like
Full of
me.
luck, man.
What you pray? Man, brother, I mean, you want to too much chest me. You chug too much. Man.
So, brother, you cut left me for.
You know that. Reggie, I pray.
There, king up.
Yeah, I can't see you.
Brother, you didn't even know what's going on right now, brother. Right now,
You're frustrated now. What go on?
you know, fast dog. You know, say, brother, I'm bringing crazy from the ends, dog.
Mechanic.
Yeah, bro, I'm bringing from the girl, at least, you know.
Uh-huh.
I introduced him to the girl and his sister, brother. You know, they want the dog chat to his sister.
Sister.
Yeah, bro. So, I'm gonna say, the girl, they move away from the dog reach, you know.
Nervous, like you're scared.
I'm scared.
Oh,
I
yeah.
happy to bomb back, brother. I mean, I don't know the brother.
They know each other.
That me start wonder them whole hand, my friend.
Hold
And
hand.
be a thing. What? Girl saying like, man, no. So him I tell that the man they say him
Brother,
like.
you know, see, man, how I do. I lie, you tell me.
Like
now.
me I tell brother.
How
Yo,
you feel like if your friend and you carry water for him, you know, like you?
brother, that me say to the girl, brother. And him I say no. Me and Virgin. The man are with everything to brother.
See a boy.
I mean,
I don't know.
I tell me some short and salt, brother. Short and look. Yeah, laugh,
that,
brother.
no, man, no, man. I have to go around. I can't
Serious,
go
me
around.
not go around there, brother. Real thing, me I tell you, sir.
God, no, dog.
Yeah, bro. I'm the thing say you're a good youth, brother. We are apart so long, you know. But you know, say
You
that.
ask her,
me
hold
not-
on. You ask her one more time. You sure say that you know I'm look at her or something?
Yo, right to so with you, brother. Me I tell you the truth. Girl not interested in me. But me not gonna stop trying, my friend.
Brother, you want
Nah,
to
stop.
listen tonight. Don't carry no water for no girl pick me. They
That
carry
makes
their water themselves and
You
build up their hand
you
muscles.
can't reach me again, brother.
Me I tell her brother, me
I
boss, oh,
can't
you sit down
reach
in
me
the dog.
again.
Me I say me not carry nothing, you know.
You can't get me bring an extra.
No, just,
All when me still a go try a fight right now.
you try to find today.
Hey, I mean, after me not give up. Brother, me can't bring so much water.
True, man. Right now,
And just make it good on so.
your name supposed to swell and big and something, but
At least still in a brother, but you know, if you say me I try a thing.
mm-hmm.
Yeah man, she should have show interest, brother.
But yeah, mechanical in a problem then if I really so I go.
Brother, that man a good youth. Me never feeling him dog.
Hello.
Good morning.
Morning, me
Morning.
hungry.
Brother, no bother with that, man.
Me hungry.
But you
Yeah.
feel hungry.
Me hungry.
You know
know
nowadays we talk about this, brother.
Brother,
We do that thing,
oh, every man you
Nothing
just come
obvious,
and hungry so. Yeah, go and like me now do nothing for you. You know, so when I in there do, you not go hungry alone. You go hungry and single. Cause you ever come and try share me in front of my
So
friend.
they say come down to
I
now.
know about
You
that.
tired of me?
Me not tired of you. Me
just-
tired.
Me hungry.
Yeah,
Me
Tired
hungry.
emotionally, babes. You can't deal with them something. Yeah.
Well, if your woman never there, but don't
Brother, you think my friend ain't proud of me? You think me proud of myself? You have one woman every time you see me just.
But you there road every day. Each up on the road every day with a friend them.
Yeah, drink come every day. So I smoke craving every day.
That's any problem. More local company. More company. You there road with man. Me hungry.
You ever do fast?
I know, say I pass and see you. I just show him my one thing. Yo,
I'm hungry. Come on. Try it, yeah.
Jay. Jay.
How that? I
Um,
want to do yourself from your. Where you are?
Jamie come look for she
She
there.
not there.
Where she there?
Oh, me never did tell you.
How you
She
be telling
got.
me?
Oh, she gone out with a nice tattooed guy.
Huh?
You one nice tattooed guy. She like. Me never did tell you too. She like guys with tattoo.
So me not tattoo too.
Where? Gosh, your black camouflage it up now.
But I'm not bleach my skin. I love my skin, you know.
Oh, so keep your skin then.
So you don't know when she come back.
No, I don't know, but probably anytime soon from morning she can home.
Morning.
From morning.
So what time are you?
5:20.
So you know worry about her.
No, why would I? She tell me say she a big woman, so she must can take care of herself.
Good man.
Big woman.
Alright, if nothing, just tell her some come by.
No problem.
Make sure you tell her. Nah.
Come on, where I come.
Alright, take care, man.
Salt is up.
I pray.
What was? Where salt is up?
Brother, you don't even know what's going on in my life.
What?
Hey girl, brother, when we talk about what we hear all you chat about. Then you know say.
That's a J.
Jay, brother.
What happened?
Go up she yard you to check her, you know. Because I don't see her from when you know. I'm saying I check for her. Go up there, she not did it. And sister one did it.
You don't believe that?
If you don't believe, brother, you can go up and date with crazy. I say sister make me know, brother, say sister like man with tattoo.
And one thing with you know, you always twist up story, you know. When you not get it, you try to twist up somebody else's brain so they not get it.
Me not twist nothing, father. Believe me now, man. I say me like a girl, you know, me I go and share.
Amen.
But me,
See?
that no mean say me I go tell lie, father.
No.
Everything what me I tell you, a reality, my
You
friend.
not go with crazy. You sure of that?
You don't believe me?
Crazy alone look like gunman. You not go with that.
I did man, she like, brother. Look for me. I good youth. Help me, say me help her with water and something, brother. She said she not like me.
Well,
So I'm grateful for me carrying water.
around our yard near try go right now in the
Yeah,
car.
grown and yard.
Yeah, because me give her my contact. And every minute
So,
me text her a blue stick.
Brother, so much how you want to talk to one time.
Oh, so much of how come so much of come out?
Because in the chat too crazy, brother. First in the chat to me, you know.
So let me ask you a question first before me even go on.
Mm.
You ever getting nookie?
No, sir.
Good. That's all I want to know. Me no business with that. Me just want to know why she has seen the text. Cause if I saw
I
BTS,
just have seen the text and I reply back.
me say me text, hi, blue stick. Hey, blue stick. Hello, blue stick. J, blue stick.
So, brother, you really waste the whole of that the time there. Where do I top up your house?
What do you mean by that?
You go waste the whole of your internet. Just a text and now you see them I get blue tick. Brother, and I realize you
No, that's what I'm going. Maybe there's something wrong with her, man.
No, sir, nothing wrong with him in the pan road with man right now, brother.
No, that's
I'm
how we.
really not no time for you, brother.
I'm going to try to
Just
find.
like you not known to me.
No, I'm going to try to find out for myself.
Probably 2 hours in I see him boat, my friend.
Huh? Alright, see what?
Alright then, don't believe me.
You what?
Alright. You go see, you go see.
You don't know when you go change, but I'm not put it. Go back to one.
Walk on.
Alright, pray.
Your mom's there cool out. I don't know where you from.
We need to change the style and every day.
Where food them me hungry.
Every day you come and stress me, brother.
Me hungry. Look how long time say food a come, and the food now come. Where
Brother,
food dey?
Me not
Me
happy.
hungry.
I don't happy that earlier stress me. You want me do things to myself. You see, if me are one of them man every week, you could lay see me on news, I think, on a rope from a far tree or
Oh,
something.
so
brother.
what you tell me say?
You stress me, you know, make me feel good. Me not happy to deal with you. Me not happy overall. That me I tell you.
Oh, so you done between me and you then.
Brother, you know, done, but I me go done. I me go done in myself. Brother,
But me hungry. Me
Every day
hungry.
No, Mama. Me sure know that my friend left food a yard. You can cook. You see, instead of taking money by rum, come in, you love drink rum.
you know what to
How you about it? What
see-
you know? What
you
you
see,
know about?
you make everybody know your dirty style them.
You
Let
love
me
drink
show
and you love
you.
smoke. You see, all them 100 and 200 can buy a tin mackerel and a pound of rice. You know, if you have oil, you dash it to them in a one and cook it. And you just throw look magazines and find that. That good. You can't stress the man, so what you want the man to go to thief?
Me not stress the man. When I take me sit back on time, so me hungry. Me
Yeah, alright.
hungry.
You see, time when you tell up yourself, you say you're hungry, you should have the yard and cook.
Where food dey?
Brother, what me no left money for you buy food. So you want big breadfruit tree, right? That's so you know send somebody naturally.
Me can't roast breadfruit.
Look at a Barbie doll, let it cook. Tell you,
It was my fault, really and truly.
tell you,
God no.
tell you.
You can't roast breadfruit.
No, me can't roast
You can't fry
breadfruit.
egg.
No.
You can't cook soup.
No.
What you can do?
Box food.
And chat.
Yes, and drink rum.
Alright, so we need a one. Where did you tell me say? I told me one time.
That's my fault.
Daddy, I want me to see.
Brother. That's my
You chat too much.
I don't chat too
Yes
much.
enough.
You fi cook.
You fi take telling.
You fi cook. The man hungry and want food. Oh, yeah.
And in there with the friend them.
You feel more just there, you had to suffer every day. Me have a guy road, go tell my friends them my problem and just try normal out.
Furthermore, 500 I can buy them food in the house.
500 I can buy, you can buy 4 pounds of flour. Me don't know how much rice you can buy for sure. How long
No,
rice
no, do it. $500 can buy 4 pounds of flour
Tell him
and how much
again.
rice. But here what 500 can buy. You can buy 2 pounds of rice at a 200. You can buy 2 tin of mackerel at a 300. All you have to do is cook 1 pound and 1
But
tin
me
of
can't
mackerel.
cook.
Mama, I know you are cooking here in the stove.
Me can't cook.
You put the water to the limit of the rice over the rice. So see rice here. You put the water over it. So,
Me can't boil rice.
well, turn in a porridge then.
You know go taste good.
We don't know where you're going to do now. We don't
I'm
know.
hungry.
Right
Where
now,
food
we
there?
are good home, so go look for one girl.
Go on, man. Go on. It's a for me and feed matters. You know, concern to where food is.
Hold on, give me 1 second, please.
Me hungry, but me hungry.
Please,
Me
no, please, no,
hungry.
please, no, please.
I see one food chop. I see one food chop tap down in yard and give her food. You can't do them, you know.
But you're out hard and bright though.
No, for real.
No,
The
me
food
alright.
Brother, just give me 1 minute.
Then you say you want box food.
Me I go deal with them, me I deal with them.
Me not eat for every anybody.
Brother, just calm
Anyway.
down. Why you want me? You want me hurt
I
myself?
don't have J yard me because me I take Sarah and pay a blue stick, so. You know, what would you think you young man? But
Yeah,
as me say,
go on.
That's my boy, I tell him, I look at something about that one, they said,
him just see me and tell me that what me not believe him. You see, start out this. Because if you continue with she,
Me hungry.
you're going to end up in prison.
It's not. I'm in a
Cause
prison, I'm
it's-
a prison, a morgue. Alright. I'm gonna make a cancer, girl. Everyone I'm a friend, they
Me
have
want
make most of your
something
junk,
eat.
girl.
Watch out. Hey. Not even want to look at evening for you, Mr. Sir. And you, I have to tell you, stop make your man them come here.
Man, them.
Yes, man.
What?
Hold on.
Yes,
man. Stop it.
Can't want me to hear me here.
You know here, we not even remember Trey.
You have
ain't come
exaggerating
here.
a chair, man, them.
Check my
Watch
bed.
out.
Trey, when me
Watch
no know,
it.
when me no know, me just refer to it as. As me say, Trey,
Stop
come
it.
here, I look for you. I'm
Stop
tell you,
it.
I'm
Stop
tell him
it.
say you're not here. That's
Stop
like
it.
tatted guys. You're like guys with tattoos.
What you
like
tell the
guys
boy
not-
that for? You don't know Trey.
So you call me name to people?
Oh, but your name tatted guy.
Yo, so when it come to you, me don't know. No, man. You don't know that. Oh, if you have a man that come up here, come check for you when time
Nobody
you
now
keep
come
on
up here. You notice here when my gan them come here.
Look how much money me
now
just
come to
spend.
me.
Me give you shrimp, me give you lobster, pasta. What
Yeah,
is
yeah,
fast?
but-
Stop it, you're too disgusting.
Listen.
Okay, could
And
have
I
get to
told
them
this-
gone.
No, me just tell you come for me
Wait
forget.
till me gone.
And you can call me aside and talk to me. Stop do the most. You're too disgusting.
Wait
You're
till
too
me
gone.
disgusting.
Okay then.
Why your problem? No man them now come to me. No one now come to me.
So craft you use pan way.
Oh, me scrap for you?
You mean, what kind of style him in the craft style him there? How you want me give you chronic law? What kind of style that?
Stop going, so. You do the most right now. You need to stop it.
Yo.
Stop it right now.
Remember, say me type of machine, you know, I'm card, me go pan, you know.
I know what.
We do all of this for me, you know.
But me never asked you to do none of this.
Jerry, you know the from the text upon WhatsApp.
Why you come over here?
Huh?
Me never invite you over here.
Mm-hmm.
No, me I text upon WhatsApp.
Man,
And you only have seen the text. I mean, the
You
text
know when
man.
somebody don't interested?
So why you give me
So why you come?
number?
Stop it. Why you come over here?
So why you give me the number if you're not
It
interested?
don't matter. You must come when
You
you're invited. Why you just
Man.
show up your reward? Shut up.
Hello. You know, see
Wait.
me?
Why you come over here?
Huh?
Wait.
Why you something?
No, me I wonder if I feel my phone I go wrong because every time I text you, I say blue stick.
That
So-
means I don't want to talk and I can't talk. You can't just pop up for somebody yard.
How you get a number?
Stop it.
But on
You
here,
can go on,
Then
please.
I stop
Because
it,
you can put me in
machine.
a trouble.
I want to find out where address to.
Oh, you find out my address.
Huh?
Oh, you find out my address.
You're a big man.
Remember to me, I'm Virgin. Relax, man. I think that girl I'm tell you about it. Who
Tell
runs
him
over
go,
here?
Mr. Wa.
This a girl.
Saying single. She's single, man.
So what you do down so now?
And what you do yourself? And when you find out yourself?
Daddy, you know where I come from?
Where?
Brother, you see him make sure look. I may buy everything, daddy.
Why
So
that
you
door
can't
can
tell about the
that
girl
door
already.
can You not concerned. Stop
Stop
telling
it.
people my
Stop
business.
it.
You stop it. This don't concern you. Why you come over here? You still can't tell me why you come over here. Why are you here?
Me want to know why me as a blue stick.
Because me don't want to talk to you and I was busy.
If you don't want to talk to me, don't open it. You're lefty.
Hold on.
Me not have no more to say to you.
Hold on.
Once you open it, you see me, so me can see you.
What?
So you have the whole crew for yourself.
Come here.
Hey, hold on, stop it.
Stop it.
Stay
No,
here.
you stop it.
Stay here,
Just
stop it,
listen.
machine.
Shut
Hold
up,
on,
man.
let me
Just
talk. Hold on.
Listen now, why you get upset? Me don't like you carry on. You should have never come over here. Stop get angry.
Hello.
What?
See, I talk to all of
Me
my
hate
G them
you.
behind the back.
Am I your friend? When him become your friend?
When him become a friend,
When? Me never yet see you with him.
you don't need to see me with no man.
Hello.
Me and
Back
you
up
there?
the talk. Back up.
Me and you there?
No,
That's
but
where
you
you know
get...
me from.
In Ireland, me see her, I say, wow.
Right, we converse one time.
Yeah, and we swap number. And me text you.
Swap number.
And it's okay to do that.
No, you never
Me
ask
and him
me
don't
that.
text.
Okay, with what? You're mad. Swap which number?
Yeah.
Long before
So-
me know you. we
I
take
saw you
the
that
second
swap.
number. But long before me know you.
Me say if I saw you that swap.
Ask him why him come over here. Me not talk about that with you too disgusting.
Alright,
Why
let me
you come
explain
over
myself
here?
good. I text you 5 times.
Right.
And he
No
said-
response.
And it go on blue.
Five
Once it go on blue, me feel like somebody kidnapped you. So
Stop
me say, why she not
exaggerating.
reply?
You
So
say
me
me
come
don't
over
answer
here.
a message?
So what you tell me say? When me all there on the table and I eat them say I text for your phone and you tell me what man.
No, it wasn't him because clearly me not answer him the same. Show up here. Why y'all come over here?
Come like the G. I mean,
Right. The me can't stop him from like me now. Are you me there with? Are you me like? So me
Oh,
could adjust him and make
excuse
him
me.
go
Give me
on.
back my number.
Me
Where
not have
phone
it.
then?
Me not have it. Go on.
Same phone.
Yo, you know what I'm saying?
Me not
What
like
me?
you stay now. Me don't like you stay.
No, me I take out back my number
So,
because
yeah,
me
me-
tell you something.
Take it out.
You not gonna take my
Me can't
number and
shut
not
up,
text
shut
me.
up. Me don't even remember what your name.
Gosh.
Yeah, show up and I go like me and I something me do and I something do not do that.
See, where I am so innocent, me tired for one hour.
How when
Get
tell
too disgusting.
Come here.
Stop now, stop now,
Me
don't
tired
make
for
it
one
worse.
hour and
Shut
tell
up.
you.
You're
Boy,
too
you
This is
say
what
you
she
don't
do
want
with
to.
Why?
You think I joke?
Hello.
do
Do
what?
him what?
Do
Right,
what?
do what?
Do what? You want me lock off him, Brett?
Kill me,
do
lock off my
what?
breath.
Huh?
You sick, brother. Do me
I
what?
believe you said
Yo.
text number and text. I'm
Machine
trying to
So,
tell you.
well,
that
daddy.
happen all the time.
So you gonna
You do the tree spin a little thing towards the light. You do the world, you not do the world. You
Darling,
do the
I
world.
will.
Yeah, just like when you take back your number, me give back your food. You want back your food?
Food.
You want back your food?
So
You want it back?
Oh, you give me my phone.
Yeah,
You
do
take
the
your belly.
most. You
Go
can
on
go
time
out.
with
Me
it.
need
Take
to
your
talk
belly.
to you.
She
Stop
gonna
it.
go. She
Hey,
gonna
hey.
go and tell it. That's the only way get. Sorry, we forgot to know all about the culture. Hey, she go.
You have to know what you're doing. You have to know what
I'm
What
you're
me
saying.
do?
But say me, I
Me
take
never
care of
this
you,
is
know.
the
Listen to
one
me.
look at me come over here. Yes,
Listen
some
to
man
me,
come
baby
ask
girl.
me is a big issue.
Man, them.
She exaggerate. I mean, I know
I know
why
man
him
them look
pop
like
up.
See,
one,
God said
two,
what?
and the next one
Hello,
they are three.
hello.
Man
Don't
them.
put me a number 2 spot.
3.
Don't you dare do
You want
that.
to go through then?
Me and none. Me take out my number. Don't call me.
3.
Me take back my number.
Yes, me tell you, Trey, you want him.
Huh?
Man them.
Trey,
Them.
you, how you call you?
Trey,
How you call you? Let me push up a wall over this back
Trey,
with you.
no.
You can't
Trey,
shut
you
up.
want with him?
You can't shut up.
Hey. Father, you will look at time, no man.
Oh, God, later.
Go on home, man.
Anyway,
Go on home, man.
how about it?
Right now, you want to shop on me dinner, daddy.
Hi.
Huh?
You lick all the tongue. You lick your
Uh-huh.
Come, we
tongue.
can't. What we supposed to
You
say? Make
You
a
lick all the
back
tongue and I love tongue, man. I'm in here, son.
All right. Nice to know you, yeah? Later, yeah? Bye-bye.
Go pack up my things then. Correct.
Wait now.
All the folks man burn marijuana.
Yeah.
Oh, you know say you can't burn. Meds all this grass sitting here, bro. Post we have just cut up here and roll up in and split. You don't feel me? Oh, yeah, it up.
No, sir, brother.
Oh, you know. You ever try?
No, sir.
Brother, you have to
You
try.
don't know if that can mad you.
But you don't know if it can make you higher than ever before.
Brother, better we stick to weed.
Yo, bro.
Oh my God, that's crazy.
Yo, you should listen to you, my bro.
Brother, go on.
So if you pack up and left the girl in my yard, me and
Eh?
I just come off a date, you know.
Yeah.
And the girl have
thing boy, I can kiss him on his hand and
Allah
a
ya
smile
tell.
and
Allah
lick
ya
him tongue.
tell.
This is
Allah
a
ya
lick.
tell.
Go flick out his teeth, you know.
Brother, that happen, dog. Allah ya
That
tell.
can't happen.
It feel like a joke, but you see you.
Brother, me put the, hey, me tell you, say, if you put up your guard in me killer.
Brother, you see when you do that,
You
when you lick all in tongue, brother, I go flick out his teeth, no, but just remember God, brother, and spack him things, man. Left,
Brother,
right.
tell
You
us, say,
follow
yo,
woman, dog.
see the
Brother,
girl,
You
you
follow
should
woman
have
and
known.
jail, you know, go, bro.
Listen to me real, bro, goddamn, my
Believe now you would.
So wanna go on with, wanna go on with.
That's all we do there, chat boy.
Yeah, chat about weed, brother, man. I
Chat
drop
about
it.
weed.
Yeah.
Watch out, smoke, me smoke this steady.
Brother, I yesterday me born one. Watch out.
Go on.
Go on.
We cool. We equal. Forget that.
Yeah. I just know
That's
this,
relax,
man.
man.
Yeah, boy.
I'm going with it.
Remember to check out my
This man,
number.
I'm just telling about no
This
father.
Allah ya tell.
So,
So you know how gang him right? That's
Yeah.
how
No, me check out my number back out that girl phone. Yo,
That's
Take
a
out
full
back your
boy scene,
number.
man.
yeah.
So you do take back your number.
Eddie,
How you mean?
You delete it.
yo,
Just
Me
try.
delete it out.
we can't make woman come between me, brother. When there was some girl like go back, brother, we have to just batch
Talking
them.
about that, you know, come on, different boy, me think.
Allah ya
What?
tell. It's like, what you call it?
How
What
much
you call
you-
it?
brother,
Man
come
machine.
tell us, yo.
Community mattress.
Man,
What?
Yo, you can't call him Bossa Youth.
Bossa youth.
Who?
Bossa Youth.
A man
I'm not getting
machine.
no bus.
I be probably too
Brother.
rushy, me
And that's
G.
why even though for me
You're
think
too
for
rushy,
brother, I
rushy,
stick to
man.
my one girl and a bro.
Man
Yes,
machine,
brother.
daddy.
No, me
Yeah,
tell
tell
you
her,
too. Me not get no bus.
Yo.
So how come that bus are you?
Yo,
Brother.
The girl take me number, me I take the girl and the girl now reply. So me just go down, me go delete it and meet her man and the girl delete it.
That's a man. Cheers. Watch out.
Oh, where are you, sir?
Sister there.
Oh no. No, 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 so sister.
so
We ask the sister.
I can't
No,
ask
must
you
know
that.
who else they are. So.
I mean,
When we ask
first
that
thing when me come
question.
here, I look for your sister and you ask me what me I do here.
yo, kill me, should I kill a sister, you know?
Your sister.
Me tell her,
So
you know.
kill her, not me. No, come and contact you.
Yo, you see how you,
Your sister
what we look
too
like?
festive.
You see a sister mark one now we?
I
Well,
didn't say.
me no business.
No,
No, originally she would and then
So you don't have her number. You don't have her number.
Me have her phone. Remember,
Oh.
so she tell me say me use her phone majority of the time.
That's so.
So I see my friend message them.
Ah!
No, listen. Me can't open her WhatsApp because it's her face ID. You understand?
Oh.
So you do read
Yes.
the message up
Me
at top.
can't read no message up top
Oh,
or
so
no.
you have the phone at the
Speaking
den.
of the devil.
She lock up. No,
Speaking
she
of the
have
devil,
her
look at,
son.
look at,
She have her.
look at, look at, look at.
Then go you look up. Then go
Yeah,
you
next man, brother.
A man hook.
Look at, look at, look at.
Stand about hour. You
No,
see a
hour.
gun
You're
for
too
your
mixed
head
up. You can put me in a
Come me
trouble.
mix up. Me I look for you for a man and I can't find
Why
you.
you look for me? Me tell you something. You got some. It's
Something
wrong.
come like
So
this,
yo,
a drama,
But
dear.
Bad bro.
Oh.
Tell you.
Are you a puppy cherry nowadays?
You own none of them. Nothing you not for answer.
Are you a
Who him? Who him by the way? Who him?
Oh, friend. You must
Yeah.
have a friend come on, but you know.
I tell you.
Who this?
Daddy, yo, watch out.
I'm a breaking, you remember?
You remember when you
Yo.
saw them did turn up the
Yo.
first time I see them?
Oh, you see it irrelevant.
This man I have now.
I am on that.
No, no, my girlfriend and my friend.
Oh, yeah, friend.
Watch it, pick up.
Daddy, are you and I, Mr.
That's
Yakis?
the one time.
Go on,
Yeah. Yeah.
Go on, that's up.
Kiss.
Yeah,
This
Gina,
man,
Lena.
yes.
Yeah, Gina. I'm a
Yo.
friend of you. Me know say you're Gina, Lena. You can't tell me no. You're Gina.
I'm a woman.
I'm a woman.
That killer's blood.
Oh, so
Why?
me need to say I go continue to tell that.
Are you a woman? You know
You
how
sure
much
say
shit
you're
that
a woman that?
You know how
Yo.
much shit that shit to me?
You sure say you're a woman?
You know how much shit that shit to me?
Lie out there, man.
Brother,
Right
you
now,
know
she have a baby
Tell
to
him.
me right
Oh,
now.
God,
okay?
man.
But I know yours. I know
Everybody
yours.
has to go to. Everybody has to go to.
Hey, you all are we are talking about right now, man.
I was just at this school. So how comes your wife of somebody where
Yeah,
I didn't
It's
say
not
you
so
had
much.
to-
Watch it. To real, my friend, because you're speechless. You can't say nothing.
When me and you have sex?
when you want me phone and left it on blue stick,
When
that
me
was
and you have
sex.
Watch it, man, termite. Me and the bandit, make me a finger on the table. If I didn't tell him, she know say terrible. That may
When
make
me
you
and you
know.
have sex?
You know what I mean? I said, shit, man, you're in progress.
I know you
No,
fat.
no,
Why you
no bother with
fat?
me.
Young thing?
No bother with the
A
reasoning
young
with
thing?
me. No bother with the
What kind of
reasoning.
young thing?
So why you allow the group of people talk about me?
We
Ah,
just
you,
give up,
you,
Yeah,
you,
tell me
miss.
nothing
It
about
just
my
happened in
woman,
that
you.
time, so we just say,
Why-
Why
everybody
you
there.
call
So.
me name? Me supposed
Like
to be
this,
sister.
yeah.
Why you
Yeah.
call me?
No, you're getting it all wrong. Me never call
Why
your
you
name.
even
Me
right
come
there?
here, no, come me know say you
Oh,
know
no,
them
no,
as
no.
so me feel say you don't
Long
know
enough.
them.
Long
Yeah, tell
enough.
hey, what heat in
Time.
that circle,
Ah,
yeah,
yes,
my
yes, you are
friend.
my friend.
It's a heat
It
a
no
hot.
matter. It
So,
no
so,
matter.
It's a hot.
So if I long enough, you're not there.
You
Something
all out
right.
did I get bun?
What?
And me
Wall
and
out.
personal
You all
one.
out. You and you.
So you
So
don't
you
want
get
to
bun
get bun,
too.
so.
Oh,
Yeah,
no, wait.
explain to
No,
us.
So when I come here, I get bun.
circus.
Yeah, I'm explain.
You a get bun.
Baka. Wait.
You a get bun.
I'm
father.
explain to
Really?
you.
What you explain?
Me and her did have a disagreement,
Uh-huh.
right?
Uh-huh.
So we say we had to take a break.
Uh-huh.
She can talk to who she want to talk to,
Uh-huh.
and me talk to who me want to talk to.
To all
So
of them.
that's why.
Anyway.
Yeah, and I'm talk no man.
open
So that's why
relationship.
maybe she could have
Open
talked to you all
relationship,
and
no.
stuff.
But-
But now we're back
Yes, sir.
together now.
But brother, a break where you take she and my friend name breaking and she too. Yeah, what kind of style
No,
that?
I'm not busy
See how
about
they
that.
sit
Brother, I come
down.
back here.
But anyway,
together now.
yo, what me at today?
Out of my face. Out of my face.
Which one
Who
you give me
allow you in
bun?
the past?
Which
Why
one
you
you
feel
give me
like
bun?
What?
Which one you give me bun?
What do you mean?
Mama,
Talking.
this year, never see
I
you.
don't want to stress her. She have a baby on the way. I don't want to stress her right now.
No, sir. You're no good man, still. We're not killing ourselves over that. You see? Yo, me I tell you, with a waste of time, they mess up there. You put it. A long time with that man. And I go on like, I take all your money. Take money. What money you spend on him?
Hey, watch out now.
Good morning.
Hey!
No money from you. From man of the road. Next night I come back.
So what that have to do with nothing? Brother, I'm tell us if you stop coming around my friend them to act like me, your son or sitting my youth. I like them style there. A boy.
No, relax.
No, I'm bad with that, brother. Cause me I'll get chick.
No fee. This concern to
Where you
now.
come from? Where you come from?
Want something to eat.
Brother, food down a yard. Me make sure some left food this man.
Me and my G a par now. See even one never hungry.
Girl money now.
You girl a money, brother.
Killer, me have to get chick for you, you know.
Chip
Tell
for
you
me.
this.
Yo.
Brother, let me tell you
Your
this
phone
now.
here look one boy.
Yo, brother,
fix
food
the
down a
situation,
yard.
you know.
Food
Give
down
him
a
money.
yard.
Give him money.
No,
Brother,
that's
money.
enough.
I 5 grand me left this
Sorry
morning,
for
brother.
interview.
And that's why
Sorry.
me I get corrupt and I can't, brother, you come to my friend them, you make it look like me never do nothing in the world for you.
I say look.
And where him on here? And where you there?
The question man that
Exactly. That's enough.
When you turn back and come and say,
That's enough.
Brother, when can I go here if you're woman there, woman? Where your woman there?
How happened?
I
Where
mean,
your
if I'm
woman
friend
there?
man. So like him a chop him too.
So me not chop
Chop
your woman
who?
too. Hey, you know that boy?
No.
You know him?
let me ask you a question. I don't know where that one.
Who friends
Yeah, brother.
are
Yeah,
Who friends
Keep
are
on distance, keep on distance.
No, you know
Distance,
it's
distance.
No know me. Come in and know him.
Hey, you not trust him now.
You know, black woman.
No.
Lord!
Hello, no mix me. You know black woman.
Black Spanish.
Yes, and blacks.
No.
Yes!
But
Spanish.
Blacks are raise the cow them.
Yeah.
Yeah, proof of that. Cause if you come without proof, me, this is how it is going on.
Wait there. Hold on there. Now something come back to me. The day when me see you in the lane,
You
when me,
know don't mix up.
when me go link black sister my cow milk, can you the milky cow? And you bounce up in a milk.
No, I never me.
A blacks yard, Mrs. Shea.
Blacks.
So you go to your friend them.
Hold on,
You
yo, you can't swear.
go to your friend them.
Me
No.
swear right there,
No,
so.
listen. Me can't tell you me see me in a black lane. And
Where
he
are they in a
bounce
black
up in a
lane?
man
Where are they in a
inside.
black lane?
Me not go to black lane.
Hold on. You go for black
Where you are?
cow milk.
Indeed the milky
A
cow them
blacks
go
a blacks PM put on that tattoo.
You tell me and you believe in it, but me not trust that
But
boy.
me and blacks are so.
Oh, so you build a friend over
Tell
me.
me
Blacks are so.
Yeah, where you am black
Yeah,
stuff?
but-
No.
Me and black in a
Where you am black stuff?
You're so nice now. The day when the car they broke down this stuff, that a black car, right?
And
And me see you at the doorway and you tell me say you help push the car. And now come out in there, come out of the car.
push which car?
Push car.
Yeah.
A friend.
You don't even know when you're black.
she work on car
Yo,
now.
my brother.
You
Brother,
You promise
I'm
car.
serious sitting there chatting on
You
that
don't
and
know
I made
me,
chicken
so
on my yacht.
Man,
No.
yeah, we not mix up in a boy.
I don't know who name so.
Me a come go up.
I saw you go.
Tell
Tell me.
No,
Where they liar with
Yo,
you?
brother,
Don't
my
listen
friend
to
nah,
them.
tell me
Crazy.
what's my friend name now, tell me. I saw you
Crazy.
go.
We link, you know, yo.
And no time
Yeah,
she
but-
up there and all a boss of black money and say,
Call, me want the proof. Call.
Black's number.
guys, she go on and boss up man and something.
No, that good brother. Uno,
What going on, General?
There's some mix up on you.
Yeah. No, man, listen up.
ask me if you know.
I don't know cow milk one this time, boss. Because you say yourself still cow milk. I never want to know. Anyway, you know what I'm going
Call him Brown. Brown name.
brownie with tattoo. Are you put on tattoo down on the leg?
Hey girl, let me tell you this. Me no want
Hello,
to
hey.
Let me tell you this. You see everything I do for you. You get
Box him
everything.
in the face.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
get
like
some,
a
man.
star,
I don't touch my
bro.
fool like.
Box him in
Brother,
the
let
face.
me-
Boy, avoid me from today.
Say that for that friend.
She pregnant.
Who pregnant? Me not pregnant.
Box him.
Watch out.
Who pregnant? Who pregnant? Me not pregnant.
Yeah.
Me don't pregnant.
Tell her this.
Hello, hey.
Avoid me from today. Hear
Box
me
him
tell
in
her.
the face.
Me not pregnant.
Lunatic. What you do?
Box girl.
What you shut him up. You fool.
It's a boy. I see the fool.
Put him from the same, brother.
Put them from the
How are you
side.
all be after?
Me like how your man turn back and left you all you have.
It don't matter, so you too disgusting.
Me not disgusting.
I chat with the boy and I call
Me not chat with
the
nobody.
boy.
Me tell you already, so me never say that. Me did just ask them if them see you from morning.
Why you even come on the road? Why
Look how long you left here.
So me tell us that me I go somewhere.
So yeah, that somewhere is too long.
Girl, you're there right here, start act like you care, you know, you don't give a shit. If you don't care, you even tell the boy them about man them a come to me, man them.
Then I man them Trey come to you, Jay come to you, who else? And the next started one, me not even know when you.
You break the sister code, because you should have done that. You're supposed to have
Me not break my
You
sister
don't know the boy
code.
them a talk too much.
Me not talking too much, I'm just speaking the facts. That is not too much. The facts can never and will never be too much.
And when me go talk to Crazy, me they look happy to you?
Who name Crazy?
The one with the tattoo.
Me no know. Me not
Me
fit
never
tell
have
you, me
one
never
of them
pay you
tattoos
no
that got
mind.
happen. Either way, it don't matter.
Okay, your man come back now. Understood.
Me just to see why you are going, so.
How me I go and tell
Yeah,
you?
do too much and I call up my name with the boy them.
Yeah, yeah, me say me not call up your name.
Yeah, call up my name.
Me not call up
Yeah,
your name.
call up my name. Yeah, call up
Tell
my
me,
name.
find
Yeah,
sister.
call up my name.
Find sister on your government sheet for me.
Ah, boy. Yeah, call up my name.
Okay, then if you
You
say
don't
so.
want to tell me call up my name. When I walk come in here, the
Me,
first
look,
thing I
hey.
say, when I walk come
Me
to the
no
brother,
love you that much enough to call your name so much.
it don't matter. Then why you talk about me overall in the first place?
Oh God. No, it's just that you tell me say you got from morning and look on the time now. It did almost that.
I bet you didn't stay there, because if you didn't stay over here, my name would have called on the road.
So look how long I tell you say rich funny people them for a day. They think I joke. Oh, it has spread like wildfire.
No, not spread like no. I would have you a chat things with them here instead of over there chat. Because when me and pass
Tell me when you see me left here for
me know all of you depend on boy you look for me.
Me know that
Look all of you all this
Me
talk
look-
about me. Could I tell
Oh,
you
I am
anything?
very
You
bipolar
could
and
have tell them
antisocial.
anything.
Tell them anything, why not even 2 minutes, they turn up there with them. I know me already, so me not chatty.
Me just
yeah.
don't like it carry on.
Well, I'm carrying on, it always my looks on you, come on.
I'm tired of fall. A year fall, because you just a check I come down here with so you didn't even remember. But we can buy go back later. Because we still go back over there. So like when somebody wants to have the opportunity. Me I say like normally when you come down here, you don't normally stay so long. Why you didn't hear so long?
No, remember she pregnant and so me have to there. Suppose something my sick.
But me never have a baby, so
No, you can't sick. Anything can happen to your sister not gonna be able to help you.
that you know what, me feel like you're
And-
asking, but
Yeah,
like when me say
absolutely.
it even matter.
But there are 3 nights now, and you know make more water every day.
Because we just enjoy a little time. It don't matter, we can have sex anytime.
But me not get nothing from when you call long now with the on break.
Well, I know.
And I know. So,
Yes.
tonight.
All the rumors them where they talk about me. Blacks, now me not breed for blacks. And you me a breed for.
What is that?
All the rumors them we have passed about me. I know blacks me a breed for. And you me a breed for.
What you
Me?
mean?
Of course.
What you mean?
Girl, go, move from out
Wait,
of
wait,
the
wait.
place.
Wait, hold on, wait.
You want top tail life on me.
We were
May I ever have sex yet?
of
Top
course.
tail life on me, man.
Of course. Whenever you use
When?
a condom.
When? When me have sex.
Me nobody at
Girl,
all.
stop telling life.
Me nobody at all.
Wait now, what you mean?
We were talking.
Girl.
What you mean? Wait. When
Yeah, but
they even
really
get
it's a
time to
girl.
know she
Hey.
One time you ever
Oh, you even come here. Oh, you even come. Oh, you even come here. Oh, you even come here.
Because you leave the door open behind you.
Yeah, but oh, she
You leave the door open.
oh, she even know where I live.
Me no know girl.
Girl, oh, you reaching here? Like for real? Oh, you reaching
Stop
here?
for one.
Come on,
Tell
oh,
the
you
girl.
reaching
Tell the
here?
girl the truth.
Oh, you reaching here?
Tell the girl the truth.
Oh, you reaching here?
Girl, go on here.
Oh, you reaching here? Come on, go on outside. Come on, what kind of fuck is this? You idiot? Oh,
Girl.
you pay to do this?
Yo.
Oh, you pay to do this? I can't
Yes,
do
so-
this.
so
Why you should have come back over here?
Because
Yeah,
You're
I'm not
fucking
feeling
right. What kind of foolishness this you do? You don't have nothing to say? You don't have nothing to say? Girl.
Tell her.
No girl.
Oh!
When me have sex.
Shut up! Oh, me think.
Remember that time in the bush?
You know what?
Me
Bush.
swear
Who this?
me swear things say
Oh,
I'm
so much
mother
I
yard
know who you are.
me swear things say I'm mother yard the baby boy.
Well, clearly, you don't know what you have to do.
Come sit down. Sit down. Me ask you to tell her.
Sit down. Sit down. Here I go. Sit down.
Me hear me answer. No come out. I know my.
Tapping eyes.
You relax.
Where does
Relax. Relax yourself.
Pregnant.
Relax yourself. For who?
No,
Who shall breathe
me.
for?
I mean, she talk about.
Look for me, not she.
My name
Hey,
is
back up.
relax.
Girl,
Relax
girl,
yourself.
girl,
Relax
girl,
yourself.
girl, girl,
Relax
girl,
yourself.
girl.
Relax.
Toga, who the fuck them two together?
I leave them.
No, you can't do that.
Oi, a jungle justice this now in our go on yourself.
Why are they down here?
Then two girls.
What you done here?
I want go on yourself.
Why are they down here?
What go on here, son?
Why are they down here?
You don't know what go on?
Why
No,
you whisper to
Eh?
him?
no.
Why you whisper to him?
Yo, come here.
Where you more from?
What you hold on for hand from?
They say you don't touch
What
me.
you hold on for hand
Where
from?
you
Oh,
touch
Sit
your
down
hand?
low. You sit down low. You sit down low.
No,
Stand me a breathe for you. And me a breathe for you.
We see who this.
It is a commission.
That's what I'm going to do.
I hear me.
Me a breathe for
Relax
you.
yourself. Relax yourself.
Yo, you're boxy bumper for your jaw. What you do? What's the lunatic here? How
So you
you do?
read she and you read me too?
Yeah, calm down, man.
Eh?
Who breathe she and breathe?
Oh, far along you be.
Yeah.
Yo,
Not 5
Me
months.
baby man.
Don't touch me, you idiot.
yo, listen to me, man. You come find her. Where you do up here, son?
What you do with she? What you do with
Yo,
she?
easy now, easy now.
Why
Why
me?
you touch me?
Why
you do with she?
me?
Where you me come for? Where you do up here,
So
son?
that you
If
me
you
really
take
care
she,
about
take
what
me
I'm
too.
here about. You can keep to
You
that.
can take she,
No,
you
So that
take
is
me.
not
Don't
all.
tell
Give the right.
Do not put
Alright,
your
baby
hand
man.
on my
Don't.
face.
Alright, baby man. Get.
Do not put
Me
your
not
hand.
give no jacket.
Do not put your hand on my
You're
face.
American, I
Bernard,
breathe easy.
Yo.
Remember,
I can't even breathe. What is
Yeah,
wrong
5
with
Where
months,
you do up here,
baby.
son?
you? Me that do something.
Yeah, me baby father.
You come like a hobby and this farming to Bombay.
Come like,
Yo,
yo.
where you do up here, say you content full and fine, you know? Where you do up here,
Let
son?
me go.
Where you do that up?
Eh?
What you done
Me
here?
can't-
So?
confused.
baby mother.
know what
So
to
what
say.
me?
Oh, she
You know what?
when?
So-
Right. I
Baby
hear me.
mother. You
Eh?
see?
You hear no?
I'm blind.
You hear no?
Eh?
Okay. So me a carry your right
I'm
child.
gonna take care of that. I promise you that.
Don't worry yourself.
And I feel blood run through this, but me I
Don't worry
promise you
yourself.
that me I get
Don't worry
You
yourself.
relax.
Don't worry yourself.
Breathe easy.
Bye. Bye. With a miserable life.
Yes.
Yo, where you do up here, say
Yes.
you breathe for me?
Yes.
No.
When you done that for me, I'm ready.
Touch me and don't me hurt.
Relax yourself. No, you stand up.
And you carry
No,
your
easy
hand.
yourself. Easy yourself.
Controller ninja.
Easy yourself. Easy
Calm
yourself.
the temperature. Where you do up here, sir?
I'm come start out something.
Start out with
Me
something.
that start out
Oh,
something with
let
them.
me go.
Well, go on yourself.
With them.
Wait, I want to go on
You know how much
yourself.
time, how much
What
place
she
you wanna
mean
feel?
by your breathe? She breathe you.
Breathe for you, you can breathe for me.
And
when
if
she
she's
go
swearing,
on
I
the
go say it near, go so. You
Yeah,
and the
go so
girl
what?
are mixed up. You have to stop
Easy,
it.
man. You could tap what's up. Yo, you know what to...
So what to me?
See you.
So what to me?
Me know you.
Oh Lord. So what to me? No sir. We can't be sir, so you come down.